So I just walked into my room at Nilo Hotel in Dallas, Fort Worth, Irving area, and super impressed with my room. Wanted to give you guys a quick little tour so you could see it too. When you walk into the left, there's a little desk area. It's where I plan to do a lot of work, but after seeing the pool, that's probably not going to happen. My own personal Keurig little setup. A really large table in case I want to host a dinner party or maybe do some work over there. Nice flat screen TV. A little bar area. Also happens to be a fat chihuahua on the floor, but I brought him. That was not compliments of Nilo Hotel. Since they are pet friendly, they did an awesome job with a little doggy setup with some toys, water dish, and food dish. It's a great little sitting area over here with a lot of sunlight. The hotel magazine is the Dallas Modern Luxury Magazine. I'm pretty sure I should be writing for them, either travel or sports. That's the men's issue. What do you bet they have nothing with sports in there? Such a shame. Walk into the second part of the hotel, and this is where the room is, the bedroom. Nice little size bed. I like that. That looks really comfortable. Another TV. Another sitting area. It goes all the way back here to another closet and an iron. Thanks to my mom, I don't know how to use one of those. Back here you've got the bathroom. This is super cute. That's a regular old toilet. The sink is pretty nice. That's not so cute. That would be me. Awesome little shower. It looks like something straight out of the Jetsons. Pretty nice. Very spacious room, definitely for me and the dog. And somehow I seemed to miss earlier that there is a big door over here. And I guess I have my own little patio. This is pretty interesting. It's large. You could throw a party out here. I'm 5'2", so I also can't see over this brick wall, but if I lift my phone up, I guess that's the surrounding area. Very nice. Overall, I am extremely impressed with Nilo Hotel here in Dallas, and really excited for my stay.